So example 11 here, we're going to look at how to pass return values from a function. So bash function can pass both numeric and string values, and how you can pass a string value from the function is shown in the following example. So we're going to create a file named function_return.sh and add following code to it. So the function with the name greeting is going to return a string value into the variable val, which prints later by combining with another string. A lot going on here, guys, so we're going to take a little bit of time on this. It's going to be a little bit easier if I just write it all out and kind of explain it that way. So let's go to our virtual box here. Vim function_return.sh is what we're naming it. I'm hitting I for insert mode, throwing that hash string in the beginning. Oops. And we're using that old deprecated method here, so we're going to say function, and then the name of the function, greeting. Okay, so this is the old method of using function. So we use the command function and the name. We could also just put the name of the function, which would work just the same. So now we've used curly brace to open up the body of this function. Now we're in the body of the function. We're going to say variable str is equal to hello, and then the variable name. We're going to echo the variable str, which we just set up. And we're going to close the body of this function. There. Okay, so now you're probably confused. You're like, well, okay, I see the str variable, but where's this name variable coming from? Well, we're about to find out. So echo, enter your name. We're going to use that read command that we've used several times in the previous examples here. So it's going to take the user input, store it into the variable name. Right? Now we have the variable name set up. Now we're going to set the variable value equal to the function. So two things is happening here. The function's being called, which is greeting, and we're assigning whatever the function greeting does to the value, or to the variable value. Okay? And then we're going to echo return value of the function is variable val. Okay? So let's look at what's going on here from the beginning. So we're creating a function. Inside the function, we're creating a variable called str, and we're saying make it equal to hello variable name, and then we're going to echo this variable here. Okay? After that, we're going to echo enter your name. It's going to take the user input and sort it into the value or variable name. Okay? So guys, this is actually happening before the function is being run. So once this happens, then the function's going to be run. And because this already happened, this variable exists. And it's being stored inside the function here at name, right? Now, the str variable has this stored in it. It says hello, and then whatever user input we put here, okay? And then it's echoing the variable str. So now we're at this point, right? Now it's echoed the variable str, and it's storing it in the variable val. Now we have a value assigned to the variable val, and we're echoing return the value of the function is the variable val. So let's see that in action. We're going to make it executable. And we're going to go ahead and run it. Enter your name, Kevin. Return value of the function is hello, Kevin. Perfect. That's what we wanted to happen. So what happened there? Well, we created this function. It asked me what my name was, and I put Kevin in, so it stored that value into the variable name. Then we called the function here, And as the function ran, it stored the variable name into this variable str, and it echoed it. Okay, so now we're at this point. So we have hello Kevin stored here in the variable val. Then we said echo return value of the function is val, which at this point is hello Kevin. Okay, a lot going on there, very complex. We just wanted to show how variables can kind of be interchanged here in functions. We also want to open your mind a little bit and get you kind of thinking in that scripting process about how powerful these scripts can be and how you can use them.